How to change email on Shop app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your email on the Shop app. Now, the first step is to log in into your Shop application where you can see different items and products that you can get on the Shop app. Now, at this stage, I must let you know that currently you cannot directly change the email address associated with your Shop app account. Yeah, you cannot. The major way of doing this is by creating a new Shop account and then deleting your existing account. And how do you do so? After logging in into your Shop account, move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see some icons such as the home icon, notification icon, your cart, the orders page, as well as your profile icon. Then once you click on your profile icon, you will be brought to the profiles page. On this page, you can see your email, right? And by the time you click on it, you can see that there is basically nothing you can do to it. Only changing your profile picture. That's the only thing you can do. So to change it, like I said, the first step would be to create a new shop account. And how do you do so? Move to the top right corner, click on your three horizontal lines that you can see there, and then click on sign out to sign out of this current account. So after signing out, you will be able to you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to get started to create a new account. So just click on get started or create a new account, and then you can now create a new account with your desired email address. And then after successfully creating the new account, you can now delete your old account associated with the previous email address. So that's the only way or the cheat code of changing your email on Shop app. You cannot change it directly. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a good day.